When you think about it now, we have been given a second reset button, and while the rest of the country is watching Netflix, participating in online quizzes and jumping up and down with some bloke called Joe, maybe you're interested in your future and making it secure. If you're interested in doing something useful this time that works for you, then I'm going to share how you can create your own online income and lifestyle to match. Now, if you don't have any concerns about your income either now or in the near future, then this video isn't for you. Just skip on by. That's okay. But if you are interested, then don't you owe it to yourself to find out how you can create financial security, one that's independent of others, and when successful, never have to worry this way again. You know, it's true, the world of the online business has come of age. It's no longer a secret that people are making a living online. And it's true that there are exciting new opportunities for working in all sorts of ways now. Ways which we can all benefit from. But let's be clear here, if all you want is to make some quick money in a few simple steps involving no work, no effort, just from some simple formula, then I don't want to waste your time. This video series isn't for you. Life just doesn't work that way, because you get out of life what you put into it. A growing number of people around the world of all ages and from so many different backgrounds are now earning their living online, simply through developing personal income streams using the internet, and it's changing their lives. Now, if that sounds interesting and you're looking for change, if you're someone prepared to learn some new skills and prepared to take action, if you're prepared to do that, then everything can change for you as well. I'm not going to waste your time saying that you're going to become incredibly wealthy overnight, but it's now a fact that whether you just want an additional income or you want to completely replace the one you had, the age of the internet has massively increased the opportunities open to ordinary people like you and I. There's a link next to or down below the video. If you click on it, leave your contact details and I'll send you all the information you need.